O, tigasan mo yung puwet mo. Ayan.
Oh,
Nice. So, good afternoon, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Nandito tayo sa clinic at kasama natin si Sedi. Ayan. So, bro, Sedi. Okay? Welcome sa iyong pangatlong session. Ayan, sa pangatlong therapy niya. So, ang interval natin, sabi ko naman sa inyo, ay hindi natin kailangan ng mga package or sobrang dalas na therapy ng ganitong klaseng therapy. If you have something else or mabigat na ulit yung pakiramdam mo during sa lahat ng activities mo in a month or after 2 months or even after 3 months, okay? Once na hindi na kaya ng iba't ibang mga stretchings, okay? That's the time na pwede ka na ulit magpa-therapy para ma-prevent natin yung mga mas malalang disorder or concerns ng iyong katawan and muscles. Okay? So, ngayon, physical examination tayo with Sedi. Ready? Posture up. O, tignan natin sa kanya kung ano yung mga nag-improve or yung mga medyo nagkakaroon pa ng disorder ulit. Dahil, syempre, very active. Yan. Turn to your right. Yan. Kamusta ito?
wala. Light naman.
Very good. Turn to your left. How's it now?
Papunta na siya to sa major dati.
Okay, very good. Go.
Ito wala.
Very nice. 45 degrees and normal range of motion. Okay? Sige, down. Okay? Here. Push it. How's this? Yung normal stretch dito or merong something else na connection?
Meron eh. Basta more on dito, right side.
Right side, traps muscles. Let's see. Tignan natin ito. Here. Go all the way up. Dikit sa kanya. Yan. Kamusta ito? Masakit
Itong
ba?
right. Yung right lang.
More of right.
Yes.
Here. This one. Mula sa harap. How's it?
Right ulit, right.
Right. Same spot. Ano yung pakaramdam mo sa kanya? Baba. Stiff. Okay. Sige. This one. Here. Twist. Side. Very good. How's it?
Wala naman sa part na baba. Ramdam ko lang yung siguro twist na ko right.
Oh, kabila. Good. Oh, here. How's this?
Ito wala.
Here.
Zero.
Very nice. Good. Stand up. Okay? Sige. Go. Back bend. How is it? Up.
Hindi masakit.
Sa banda.
Dito.
Okay. Up. Yan. Sige. Taas na. O, yun. O, titignan natin ulit yung iyong whole spine. Okay? Harap ka sa akin. Yan. Bend forward. Kung dati ay tinitignan natin which is development of muscle compression and misalignment of your spine, with ngayon ay very nice na. Okay? So, wala nang mataas, wala nang mababa. Very good. Okay? Here. Oh, so misalignment, nothing. Up ng konti. Oh, here, sa middle side, sa upper thoracic. With this one, rib cage. Here, medyo nakaangat lang ng konti ito. Okay? This one, medyo mababa lang. Alright, so up ng konti. Last one. Ito specifically. Here. Right here. How's this?
Yan. Parang,
Pain?
yes.
Yes. This one. Here. How's this one? Nothing?
Mga 3 lang. 3.
Okay, here. Nothing. So, more of here. Kasi ito medyo nakalayo ng konti. Misalignment. Sige. Ngayon, check natin. Sa tuhod, kamusta ka?
Tuhod, wala naman.
Okay, sige. So, ngayon ay dadapa ka. Here, iliac crest, pelvis, and sacroiliac joint. Up. Taas mo to. Kamusta yan?
Mga 7.
Mabigat ng konti. Okay? Ang normal is about here. How's this one? Tight?
Yes.
Okay, down. Okay, kabila. Good. Ito, mas okay ito. Musta ito? Normal range of motion to. Good.
Wala.
Yan. So, focus tayo sa kabila. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good.
Oh!
Nice. Open. Stretch natin, ha? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Exhale. Good. That's one. Open. Then, ready? Open up. Relax. Good.
Oh!
Nice. sacrum, lumbar 1, S1 hanggang coccyx or yung pinakadulo ng tailbone natin. At yung inner pubic bone na tinatawag. Okay? Tigasan mo yung puwet mo. Ayan.
Oh,
Nice. Next is your ribs. Relax natin. Ayan. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice one. Here. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Last two. Okay, so here. Last one up. Down. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, clear. Here. Last one up. Clear. Last one up. Inhale. Exhale. Alright. Oh, very good naman yun. Next is right here. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so good. Tight lang ng konti yung middle side. Right here. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Very light. Okay? Here. Open up your disc joints. Right there. O, relax lang ito. O, ito yung ipupush ko ha. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Open up. O, ito mas mababa ng konti. Right here. Relax sa shoulder. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Any pain? Very good. Taas mo ito. Go up. How is it? Any tightness?
konti na lang.
Okay, hamstring. Good. Kabila. Go up. Yan. Oh, very nice. Good. Ngayon, sisit down tayo para dito. Alright? Ready? Relax ito. Inhale. Exhale.
Oh.
Nice.
Marinig niya ba?
Okay. Up, up, up. Ready? Yoko. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so tight. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so very good naman eh. Kamusta ka?
Okay lang.
Good. O, higa ka ulit. Let's see. Kamusta to?
Medyo hindi na siya ganun kasakit eh, pero meron pang something talaga. No?
25 minutes.
Okay.
So first, metatarsal right here. Okay, clear. Clear. Lower. Clear. Navicular bone. Clear. Very good. Talus bone. Clear. Okay, very good na. Last one here. Nice. This one. Next is for your calcaneus or heel. Turn in. At dyan connected sa inner hip joint. Nice. Metatarsal. Here. Lower side. Clear. Good. Navicular. Clear. Good. Nice. over. Clear. Turn in. Nice one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so very clear. Yep. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay, so very clear. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, good. Right over left. Okay. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Good. Clear na. Ngayon ay higa again. Oh, very good na to ah.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, grip tayong dalawa. Ito. Nice. Okay? Very good naman. And evenly distributed the power of your main muscles. Hanggang sa pulley ligaments ng ating phalanges or daliri. Very good. Pagka nangihina ka kasi or yung tinatawag na lazy grip, gusto mong which is mayroong compromising the pulley ligaments or yung parang string na dumadaloy dito, naiipit dito sa ating carpal bones or wrist. Okay? Once na mayroong ganon, hindi niya ma-distribute ng maayos yung
Kaya na
power.
minsan nanginginig.
Yes, nanginginig, nangihina.
Okay.
Okay? Good. Clear na. Wala namang problema. Okay, next connection. Elbow and pull na. Here. Good. Lower, twist. Lower. Good one. Okay? Okay. Let's see this one. Very good naman ito. Okay? Grip. Go. Okay, so grip tayo. Go. Okay, very good.
Okay naman.
Walang tug na yan.
Perfect time ah.
Okay, push it upper, lower, clear, cervical spine. Sige, pinch it. 1, how's it? Number 2,
Sorry.
number 3,
Wala.
4, 5.
Okay.
Traps muscles.
Ah!
Oh,
Masakit yun.
here. Acromion.
Oo.
Okay.
Hindi niya second na.
Right here.
Bayaan ka.
Meron.
Meron.
2, 3,
Ah.
4, 5. Traps muscles. Here.
Masakit pero hindi naman.
Here. Okay, so here and here. Okay? We have a advanced technique later on sa mga muscles. Right here. Okay. Sige, I will push this one. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so ito ay very clear. Let's see the rotation. Block. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Block. Rotation. Okay. Block. Yan. Light decompression. Bite your teeth. Natural. Bite. Yan. Close your mouth. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Yan. Chain effect with the bouncing. Okay? Light lang ito. Inhale. Exhale. Light. Nice.
Ano din niya?
Good. Now we have to release all the muscle knots with the right movement. Ready? Go up. Sige. All the way. Nice. Sideward down.
Oh my God.
Good. Nararamdaman mo yan?
Oo.
Sa gitna.
Ito sa side ko.
Now, engage. Yan. Tigasan ito. Close your fist. Tigasan. At tigasan ng shoulders. Okay? Go up. Sige. Up, up, up. Sideward down.
Ah, yun. My God.
Sige. Ngayon, last two. Relax na yung kamay. Sige, go up. Anong difference?
Magaan.
Sige, up. Up. Sideward down. How's this now?
Magaan.
Super lalim na ng muscles mo.
Oo.
Okay, so eliminate din. Or mas maayos na yung pinaka nuts or bukol-bukol na muscle fiber. Go up again. All the way up. Downside. Good. Okay, wait lang, naiwan ako. Sige, again. Up. Downside. Down. Good. How is it now?
Okay.
Right here. How's this?
Yan, masakit siya.
Here. Okay, sige. Same movement, same procedure. Up. Sige. All the way up. Side, down. Good. Nice. Again, up. All the way down. Okay. Okay. Go up. Nice. Good. Turn in. Nice. Turn in. Turn out. Go out. Go out.
Oh.
Go turn in. Turn out. Good one. Okay? And back to normal. Downside. Side down. All the way. Good. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good. Kamusta? Naramdaman mo sa upper?
Ito, parang masakit.
Sumakit?
Parang siguro na stretch. Ito, kaliwa, wala.
Very good yung lumbar and very intact. Okay? Normal naman ito. Okay? So, kailangan na ng rest. Okay? Good. Ngayon, ay sit down na tayo. Pigilan mo ako. Ready? Go. Push it. Pigil. Lakas. Good. Lakas pa. Okay. Very firm. So, go. Pigil. Very good. Nice. Turn in. Yan. You have to pull it. Nice. Nice one. Clear. Then, relax. Yuko. That's one. Clear. Good. Relax. Good. Okay. Yuko, yuko. Up, up, up. Clear naman. Up. Ear pressure. With better hearing senses. Ayan, pag si mother ay nabibingin na, tawagin mo minsan. Relax. Good.
Na-predict mo yan, ah.
Relax. Oh, wait. Lumahawakan eh. Oh, relax mo lang to. Oh, very good naman. This is the sensitive part of our ears. When we press this one, 1, 2, it gives signals sa ating nerve na nakakonekta sa ating eardrum. 3, 2, and 1. Good. So, Rock Nation, hello again. We're done with Sir Sadi. Oh, bro, kamusta yung third experience with the therapy?
Isa lang masabi ko, rock talaga.
Nice.
The best.
Rock.
The best.
Okay.
Coach Aster.
Thank you so much for trusting
Thank you so
again.
much.
For the third time, okay? Third session na niya
Yes.
ito. At the same time, ay nagiging mas better yung kanyang nagiging better yung kanyang posture at nagiging better yung mga deformation na nangyayari. At na-detect natin nung una pang pagkikita natin.
Correct.
Kasi, especially yung building ng muscles mo nung nakaganong ka. Okay? Once na
okay.
medyo imbalances yung, or nade-deform ng konti yung iyong spine. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng iba't ibang building muscles or nakikita yung iba't ibang cuts na unnecessary. Okay? So ngayon, posture up again. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. How is it? Better?
Okay. Yes,
Sige,
better.
tingala. How is it now? Yoko. Yan. How's this? Okay. Kamusta?
Good. Feeling good na kanya.
Good. Ngayon, this one. All the way up. Kamusta yung right mo?
Same as left na. Yung light.
Like,
Medyo siguro, medyo kasi kakalas na.
yung kanina,
Sobra.
may pain.
Yes.
Sige, down. Mula sa harap. Lagpas sa tenga. Kamusta ngayon?
Wala na.
Yung right side, kaninang stiff or
ito,
something else?
unang masakit eh. Ngayon wala. Wala siya to.
Very good. Nice. So, at least, wala tayong masyadong nagiging problema. Or, mas malalang nagiging problema. Okay? Ganun lang ang kailangan mo
Correct.
gawin.
Thank you sa time, Coach Aster.
Picture tayo.
Hi, Rock Nation! This is Coach Aster and I'm Sadie. Thank you so much.
Alright.